Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Alfa Romeo. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Alfa Romeo is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.